The future of manufacturing is being shaped by advanced technologies, automation, and sustainable practices. Here are some key trends that will define manufacturing processes in the coming years. 1. Smart Factories Industry 4.0. IoT, Internet of Things. Machines and devices will be interconnected, allowing real-time data exchange and predictive maintenance. AI machine learning. AI-driven analytics will optimize production efficiency, reduce downtime, and improve quality control. Digital twins. Virtual models of physical systems will allow manufacturers to simulate and optimize processes before implementing them in the real world. 2. Advanced automation robotics. Cobots, collaborative robots. These robots work alongside humans, increasing efficiency without replacing human workers entirely. Lights-out manufacturing, fully automated factories with minimal human intervention, operating 24/7. Autonomous vehicles drones, used in warehouses and production lines for logistics and material handling. 3. Additive manufacturing, 3D 4D printing. 3D printing enables rapid prototyping, customization, and decentralized production. 4D printing uses smart materials that change shape over time when exposed to environmental factors like heat, light, or moisture. 4. Sustainable green manufacturing, circular economy, recycling and reusing materials to reduce waste. Energy-efficient production, using renewable energy sources and energy-saving processes to lower carbon footprints. Biodegradable smart materials, development of eco-friendly materials that can self-repair or change properties based on environmental conditions. 5. Hyper-personalization, mass customization. Advanced AI and flexible manufacturing systems will allow businesses to produce personalized products at scale without increasing costs. 6. Nanotechnology, advanced materials. Nanomaterials, stronger, lighter, and more durable materials for industries like aerospace, healthcare, and electronics. Self-healing materials, materials that can repair themselves from minor damage, reducing maintenance costs. 7. Quantum computing in manufacturing. Quantum computing will help solve complex optimization problems in logistics, supply chains, and material science, leading to ultra-efficient production systems.